Okay, what's up? She cut the last one. We're at the beach with Pumpkin. She's gonna take her first steps on the sand. Are you ready? You smell the sand? She's still a little, she's loafing. They call it loafing. You wanna feel the sand, baby? Look, touch your little paw. Oop. Her first sand. Wait, film her, yeah. Don't eat it. Okay, fuck. Okay, wait.
Oh, she'll know better. She'll know
Don't eat
better.
that sand.
She'll know better soon.
Yucky. Say blah. Say yucky.
It's like, you know, she'll learn.
Say that's yucky sand. She tried eating it. I think my mom said that. She's like, careful she doesn't eat the sand. Don't eat the sand.
Do we trust her?
Do we trust her? I don't know, do we? You want to put like
too tiny to be trusted?
she's so tiny. Are you ready to take another step? Want to take another little step for Mama? She's like, nope. Look at her. She said nope. Oh, you're safe. Look, the birdie's gonna get you. The big pelican. Oh wait, he actually might. Say hi, you two.
That's too big for
She's
her.
wiggling out of her harness.
Honestly, she doesn't
No,
need
don't
it.
stop it. We're doing 10 minutes. We're in this YouTube game. What's up, Logan Paul? Coming for his gig. Say
I
hi.
look like shit right now.
Child extortion. Child internet extortion. Do you want to try going on the sand? Maybe Aunt Jenny will be better.
Honestly, I'm a little bit more about tough love. I'll just be like,
Are you the girl, type of girl that's like, yeah, swim?
Yeah.
You just like throw
that's the type of parent I'm gonna be.
I'm dead. Well, okay, then Aunt Jenny scares us. No.
No, I mean, I wouldn't throw her, but I'd just like put it on her. She just has to do it.
Wait, you're not filming her. She like cuts your head off. Get her in the shot. Ooh. She said nope. Oh. Are you scared of the sand? Okay, time for drink.
Right.
YouTube world. What's up, YouTube world? What's going on? Say hi. My mommy wants to document. I have to document everything. I'm not trying to extort my child entirely. I'm just trying to document everything. He's so cute.
Hey, the front camera's better than the back one.
You think so? Or wait, this, oh, yeah? Oh. I'm like, where's your alcohol? That's what we want now, is alcohol. Look at the sunshine. Pookie Bear. Are you a Pookie Bear? Doop. You a baby Pookie? Wow. She's a Pookie Bear. Pookie Bear. What's your boop? See you in a second. Boop.